Yo.
Okay.
What is this?
We're doing a tier list of every anime from 2021. All of them.
That's a lot.
All of them.
I'm going to sleep.
No, you're not.
No.
I probably know like
Too
5 of those anime.
Probably know like.
That's why we have like
Alright,
5 of us. Where's Trevor?
hold on. We gotta make
I'm
this.
here.
We gotta
Okay.
make this a little bit easier for us. All right.
Both of you two.
You're gonna name the top tier?
All right. There we go. And then we're gonna
hardly fair.
You have to change the color to a different color than a color that's
Then
already
make-
used.
like what? No.
Remember
I
to
don't
make
know,
a
click
Trevor
the
tier,
cog.
because everything I watch is bad.
Have not seen. There we go.
Make a pen
under
tier.
All right.
No.
You're
we don't
taking
do
Make
that.
it like make it like cyan.
This
with
one can
SS
stay.
color.
I don't know, but
Whoa.
gold.
How would S be
It's
cyan?
yellow.
C can be you.
That's piss. It's not gold.
Yo, Jamal, you gotta tune into the stream right quick.
Bro, I'm listening to No Name right now.
There you go. And then regular S can be yellow. And
You
then,
put the Trevor tier under have not
B
seen.
can be that. There we go.
I'm in the
Alright.
stream.
Hey, yeah, just put right.
What am I doing?
Put the Trevor tier under have not
What's
seen.
the Trevor tier?
Just put the ones I have seen.
We're just
I don't
gonna,
think
you're-
Trevor
The-
should
the
be
Trevor
in
Bad
this
shows.
video.
We're just gonna
Trevor, why am I
go.
in your stream?
I can't even tell what this first one is.
Here,
Me either.
you just listen to this one.
We're just gonna.
I can't tell. That's just numbers.
It might just be numbers.
That's Haikyuu.
Has anyone seen 86?
No.
Alright. No, we haven't seen
Off
it.
Wait,
off to a great
oh
start.
my gosh.
We're off to a great. Alright,
What
let's just
is-
go. Let me just
Wait,
go through the ones.
is that World
I
Trigger? I can't
Has
see.
anyone seen Beastars?
Why-
No.
asked
Hold on. I know what I must do first, though. Hold on, I gotta.
What's the one in the first slot I have
hold
not
on,
seen?
hold
He's
on,
looking
hold on.
for it.
It's
Hold
right
on.
there.
Yo,
It's
slime!
right there.
Slime!
No.
There's
no,
ReZero.
No.
ReZero's
right up
there,
No.
Xander.
No.
Not
So
even
is,
you can't
like,
find it.
Senpai, annoying Senpai.
No.
Your Ranking of Kings.
Oh my gosh. Go
No.
rank
One
it, King.
Piece.
It's in alphabetical order, Xander.
One Piece,
No.
One Piece,
Xander,
One Piece,
what the
One Piece,
hell
One
are
Piece,
you
One Piece.
looking for?
I gave up. Anyways, so we'll start with
ReZero is right up there, Xander. It's like basically top left from your screen right now.
I wasn't gonna start with reason. We'll start with slime. No,
With
Tonikawa.
slime. With Tonikaku Kawaii.
I also realized
I'd
just
like
how inconvenient it would be
A
to
or
go from down.
S.
I put in like S.
This is the OVA.
Is it the OVA?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 2021.
Yeah.
Put an A then.
I'll put it in A. We'll go down.
There's My Hero to the bottom.
Boruto.
Yeah.
My Hero.
Put
Yeah,
like
put those all there.
What are we
What is
doing?
this?
Animated 2021 tier list.
I can't tell what that is.
That's not
I'm
Isekai.
gonna go here. What is
type.
this? It looks nice.
It kind of looks like Don Machi.
It's probably a child. Oh, it's Evangelion right there. You're on it.
Evangelion.
Yeah, it's a good
came
movie.
out
Go up.
this
Go to.
year.
Go. I put an A.
A above or below Tonikawa?
No, below.
Okay.
Good movie, but not like insane.
What is it? I can't tell. I just Goku.
I think that's Yu Yu Hakusho right there.
Dr. Stone.
Dr. Stone. I put it in A. It's a good show.
No, I mean like whatever came out in 2021.
I muted
this a
myself.
movie
or an
Probably
OVA? Maybe just season 2. It's still like A tier.
Where?
Probably above Ava. Below
Okay.
Tonikawa.
I don't know what you are. You look familiar though. Oh.
That's the cells at work. You were literally on it already.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
a quintessential quintuplets.
I'm glad we both noticed
All
at the same
right,
time.
I'm gonna take Horimiya. Put it in B.
That's all you.
Put it in B.
I'm glad you didn't do anything foolish.
Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. I'm thinking about. By the way, I just got this over
Is
here.
it Sailor Moon?
Richard, do you not have an ad block?
Why is there two
I
Sailor
do.
Moons?
It's just
It's just still
There's a
there.
video over there. Yeah, I'll put it in B. It was average. I'm
There's
not
two
gonna.
Sailor Moons. What the hell?
There are 2 Sailor Moons. I don't know what this is.
You want to see Jahi?
I did see Jahi. There it is. Left. Down.
Right there.
Who's seen
Yeah,
this?
There's
Jamal?
JoJo.
I've seen it. I put it below Horror Mia. It's good, but it's not like very good.
Hates this show.
Yo,
JoJo.
Jujutsu Kaisen.
I see Redo of Healer and Kaguya right next to each
Dude,
other.
let's do JoJo first, though.
I see
Since
Demon
you're like,
Slayer too.
you,
Yo, Jujutsu Kaisen.
There's
no
also
Jujutsu
Fire
Kaisen.
Force right there.
All right.
Jujutsu
Okay.
Kaisen,
We'll go down the list.
TZSS.
All right.
Just pick one.
What is this? That's not Jujutsu.
I
That is
literally
Jujutsu Kaisen.
can't.
That's the movie.
All right.
Zero.
How good's the movie?
That's Zero. I
Listen,
haven't
Zero
watched
is
it
pretty
yet.
S. It is pretty S.
All right, we
All
trust
right.
you.
Did
Right,
anyone
since Trevor
else
said
watch
it, we
it?
have to put it in at least A.
Oh my god.
One
It's
more,
All right. It's gonna
lower.
go here.
fine.
Jujutsu
Jujutsu
Kaisen, though,
has to
double
go in
S.
SS.
Double S.
Bro, double S. That show's
Is,
fire.
is Jamal the only one that's seen it?
No.
Trevor's also seen it. That show is fire.
Oh my
Have you seen it, Pen?
No, my boss said it was mid though.
It's
Mid?
not
He's
mid.
so
I
wrong.
mean, your
It
boss
is
told you to
literally
watch
not
King's
mid.
Game.
That's that is also the slime guy though.
I'll put it in.
Yeah, but he told you to watch King's Game, so that like already.
Alright,
Go
I'll
back.
go.
Yeah,
This
that's
is,
the OVA.
Yeah.
Yeah, the OVA was very funny.
Maruko-chan.
I'll put the OVA in just.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I put
OVA
an
is
A,
cool,
honestly.
JJK.
I'll put the OVA.
Go
Almost
JoJo.
like a-
Do JoJo. Do
I
JoJo.
see
None
where
of
it
us
is
have
right
watched
there.
JoJo.
But
But
you.
I have.
Where
Put
is
an
Where
it?
is it? S?
Hey,
Yeah,
cool.
put JK in double S though.
What? Wait.
I
what?
trust Jamal.
Jujutsu Kaisen.
I
Double
trust
S.
Jamal, but I don't trust
Oh, that
Trevor.
show
So we have
is
to
so
Oh
even
my
fire.
gosh.
Do you think it's compared to Slime
Yes.
The animation is very well.
It's
very
so
much
good.
compared
as
to
a
Slime.
show?
As a show,
as a
as
show, it's
animation
very
and
good.
show, it's just very good.
So you would put it on the same level as Slime then?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Help me. Oh, let's do redo after
I
that.
saw High School DxD down there.
I watched like 3 episodes of that show and I dropped it.
The dog's popping off.
There's a
Shelby,
dog
I
going
assume
off.
that's Shelby. Shelby's
is
going wild today.
No, is that
Go
Demon
That'd be
left.
like
is that
Trevor.
Misfits? That is Misfits.
Where?
Yeah, it's Demon Slayer.
Is it Misfit?
I don't
Let's
know
go in
where you've
order.
seen it. Whatever. Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer. Alright,
that's the movie.
That's the
This is
movie.
the
movie. Recap.
Movie? No, that's not the
That's the
recap movie.
movie. That is-
That's the movie.
That was very good and
Where's it
very
going?
sad. I'd say S.
That's a good
S.
S tier. Good
Above or
movie.
below JoJo?
Above. I didn't watch
above.
JoJo's.
Above.
Jenner didn't
Alright,
finish.
and then
Where's the
where'd
other
the
one?
other
I
one
lost
go?
it. I found
there
it.
it
This
is.
is the show, right?
I put that
Honestly,
S above movie.
I think this is double S, bro. Entertainment District went so crazy.
It looked really good, except for the
It
CGI.
looked
people.
so
Didn't even
good.
watch it.
I mean, but
Get on that.
But like,
It
as
saved the
just,
show.
Like, as like a series.
It's just that season.
It's really
You
good.
can't just as a series.
No, I mean
As a
like,
series.
but you guys like, you're like, it's so good, top tier animation. Like, if animation's your only argument, I'm just like, do you guys got anything
I mean, it's
else?
also just good.
It's like
I don't
like
watch
your basic
bad
shonen.
shows.
It's like your basic shonen, to be fair, but it's also very good. You see the girl on the tree? It's
No,
next to,
don't notice it. Don't notice it. Don't
direct
worry
me.
about it.
Go
Down
left.
one.
Stop.
Down one.
No.
Am I going down one
Go
or up
down
one?
Down
one.
one.
I
Go left.
found
That's
it.
no redo of healer, triple S.
I'd say,
We're
to
gonna
be
put
fair,
it
we
here.
could put it in A.
I'm gonna put it there.
I hate you
Alright.
guys.
Personally, don't. Where's
I
Komi?
think
Hey, there's
Where's
Spider.
Coleman?
Komi's,
Down one.
We can't do that yet.
It's right
'cause,
next to the
Enemy
spider.
Dragon
spotted.
Maid.
I didn't see that. Dragon Maid.
Dragon
Dragon
Maid.
Maid.
A or B.
I
It's like
would
high.
put it at the
A.
top of A.
That's fair. Maybe got everything.
Komi.
Komi, double S.
I don't.
No.
I saw
Double S.
Nagatoro.
I will
Put it at
not.
the top of S. I will not give that up.
The top of
No.
S.
I will put it above JoJo's. That is as high as I think Komi's gonna go.
Hey, bro,
Base.
even Mike
I
said it fell
agree.
off, bro. I hate to break it to you.
It's
Like,
season
I don't
one.
know if he meant the show.
It's season one.
It is
No,
season
it's-
1,
It's
But
just
I
I
don't
one is
mean,
know.
really
Comey
good.
seems
It
pretty
probably fell off
boring.
of the manga.
like even though it's season like Comey's not that great. Like,
That's fine. It's fair.
but I will say it can be an S. I mean, you can't go that far as a romance or comedy or anything like that.
I mean, Kaguya though.
Super.
There's also Spider.
Is
there.
Alright,
Yeah.
brothers.
So Jamal,
Spider, solid like B, I'd say. Above Josh,
You didn't get the
100%.
opening for this show. It goes below Johnny.
I just gotta say, there's a certain show in there that deserves SS.
Keep Promise Neverland
No.
season 2.
You're Trevor.
all right, okay, they have both of them in here.
Shoku Tensei. That's
I
Um,
didn't watch that show.
Okay,
haven't
well,
either.
I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm just gonna throw them up here real quick so I can judge them real quick. All right, we're done. No, I'm just kidding. So okay, season 2 or part 2 is better. Part 1. See, I didn't watch Jujutsu Kaisen, so I can't say. But I mean, they're both gonna be up here. All right.
I do need to finish that show.
I do need to finish it as well.
Hey,
Am I
what's
the
gonna
only one
happen
in
when I
call that's
watch
seen
this
it?
show and it's just
Yeah.
like super mid Xander?
No,
Like,
no,
I don't think
this
it's gonna
show-
be mid
It's not
because
gonna
the
be mid.
manga. It's like it's really good.
Yeah, it's
Like
not.
I've
gonna
heard
be mid.
bad things about like every
like
single
Strick. I've
show.
shown you the bread, right? Like,
I
there's
Except
no
for
way
care
it's
about
gonna
the
be.
fucking bread, Xander.
No, it can't be mid.
I don't care about that. What if they just have the bread and then they put in the goats from Overlord?
I
That
don't
is
think-
a D tier show.
I'd have to rewatch it because I didn't really notice any CGI. That's like a rewatch kind of thing, but yeah.
Well,
I
if
don't know.
it's not that noticeable on your first watch, it can't be that bad.
Yeah. Who?
Holy
Okay,
Trevor.
anyways.
Hello?
I think I'll
Yeah.
keep it like that. Like part 2.
We can
yeah,
change it up later if we need to.
Yeah.
Of you.
Trevor, mute your mic.
I'll mute Trevor myself.
I'll mute Trevor myself.
All right.
Now it's like I'm
Um,
watching the video.
Maruko-chan.
Is that what's next?
I
Maruko.
don't see any more.
Yo,
recommended.
Maruko.
I
It's a
really
good
like Maruko.
show.
I did really like
Putting like a
Maruko.
It's like a
solid
solid
A.
A.
Solid A.
Yeah.
Like
I'd
top
put
of
it
A.
right here.
That's fair.
Yeah,
That's
it's probably
fair.
better than Tony Kako OVA.
Yeah.
I thought it was better than Dragon Maid.
No.
I wasn't a big fan of Dragon Maid.
I,
I I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it like that for now.
I like that. Why is One Piece there?
Is
Yo.
One Piece. I was looking
Double
for
S?
that. There we go.
Hey.
Double S.
Nice, nice.
Double S?
It's
Alright,
gotta
you
go
put
up.
it
Or if
Alright.
not,
New tier
No,
for
no.
One Piece and The Promised Neverland season 2.
No watch, no opinion. No watch, no opinion.
I've watched it.
You have not watched it, no opinion.
Bro, if I haven't watched it, how do I know, huh?
Alright, what
Alright, there you
happens in
go.
episode 10-15? What does
Alright.
Luffy say?
No one cares.
Bro,
You got up
True.
there was a mistake.
Nagatoro.
I haven't seen it.
I haven't seen it. I'm never gonna watch it.
There's
Hot taxi.
ranking did anyone watch that?
Elijah said that it was
Elijah.
really good.
We watched Ranking of Kings a little bit. It's right there.
So Jamal.
That's
Jamal.
Dungeon only I can. Ranking of King, that was like a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I put that probably above around the Kaguya OVA.
Right there.
About there. It's a really good show.
I hate
Although,
the-
if I'm getting
And
my
Pro ZD.
opinion in,
Do you-
you didn't
Pro ZD
watch
is
the whole
Kage.
show.
I blame Jamal.
Do you wanna
for
do you wanna do a quick finish and put both ReZero at the top?
that. Fine.
Or is there just one ReZero?
It's just
So much
part 2.
work.
One.
Uh, I'm looking.
The Dungeon only I can enter right there.
Why is that didn't come out in 2021?
Apparently it did.
Yeah, I dropped the show.
Let's see. I'll put it in C.
Very horny. Very funny.
It is pretty funny.
VPN 2.
Is that what I think it is? I can't tell. I don't know how to read.
Up.
It is big
It
and
was big and
small.
small.
Might as well just do this real quick.
Good show. Probably not as good as the
Put it right
Kage
here.
OVA.
Yeah,
Put it right there.
seems about right.
Do me a favor. Go back
Anyways,
up.
I
All the way back
okay,
up.
going back
Make
up.
a new tier. Under still going.
It's so much
I
work.
can't.
Title it. The Promised Neverland 2. Or
It's so
something.
much work.
It's TPN2.
EPN 2.
I'm just gonna put a frowny. No, that's a smiley face.
That's a
frowny face. Where is it?
Down
Hmm.
where the T's are.
Xander
I
doesn't know
can't
how to
read.
read. He's a Dragon Ball fan.
I can't read.
There's
There's
slime.
Oh,
Go
there's
down.
slime.
Up one. Up one. Up one.
You said up
Left.
one.
There.
Oh, there it is. All the second to the
my-
very second one, Xander. That
I
row
see.
right there.
I
Get
see the
it.
Tanya hairstyle. All right.
There we
And
go.
anyways,
I'm
I
happy-
saw
I'm
it
happy
down
now.
here. So,
I
Is
saw
it
it.
slime?
you.
That's Shadow's house.
Yes.
That was really good. I'd say A. I'd
I'd
say
say
A.
A or S. It's a good
Honestly,
show.
It's
yeah,
backed by
I'd
Nine
put it,
Eye.
I'd put it down here. Yeah.
This is a good S.
Yeah, I'd put it down there. Shadow's House is a good watch.
I enjoyed it today, that's for sure.
Okay. What were we about? Like here?
Something like that.
Going
Uh,
through.
Wait, did you already pass? Oh, you
Attack
did.
on Titan.
Which one is this?
This first.
This is part one.
Bottom
Ah.
SS.
It fell off.
Bottom
This is
SS.
before it
Top,
fell
top
off.
of that.
I'm
Not
thinking about it.
in
No,
front of Demon Slayer.
no, I'd put it at top of S. I don't think it's
Yeah.
worthy of SS. The beginning is way too like slow, and it's just like
Yeah.
I just feel like it's not as good.
Or-
Now part two is good, right? Part two I think would be deserved of SS, but part one and it had My War, so
Right. So
Yeah, that means it has to go down.
in like the top left area, there's this blue-haired kid. It's like
No.
Uh,
I
down.
give
Top
up.
left.
down. It's like
said
4 below
top
Iden
left.
0. Right. Yeah. Just keep
He
going
said
down. That
Iden.
one. That one.
Well,
Yeah.
that's like the Zuma or something. his
Yeah.
name.
That's a pretty good B. It was okay.
I don't trust him.
I trust him.
It's Trevor.
We're
Is
forced
that
to
Monster
trust
I
Musume?
trust him.
No, it's not. Okay.
Okay,
Hey,
so
is that Dragon Ball? That is Dragon Ball.
where?
What?
Next row, middle.
Oh, that's
Oh,
superheroes.
heroes, but-
Yo.
Still going, sad face.
Yeah, it's still going. Sad face. I'll put it above One Piece.
Trailer.
Yeah,
Yo.
peace.
All right.
There's a world
My
tree.
kind are all a piece.
I guess yeah. Slime will be
Slime.
next.
Slime.
So
What
this
is
is
Slime
the
then?
The Slime Diaries.
Slime
Diaries.
Diaries?
I have not
Haven't
seen.
watched this yet.
It's pretty A. It's not as good as the main series, but it's pretty good.
That'd be a good place to put
Put
it.
it here.
I'd put a bottom A.
Here.
Not below a redo, of course.
Here.
No.
And then we have the regular
Then-
series.
Then Slime season 2.
Yeah, it's season 2 and then season 2, right?
All right, we're gonna just throw these up here real quick.
Yeah,
So, where did
Left.
it go?
It's
right, up,
up,
left,
right.
right, up,
To the right.
right,
You,
down,
all
one.
of
You
you,
said
down,
shut
literally
the
down
You
one.
said up, right?
Why'd
Went
you move
up,
your
right?
mouse? Why'd you move your mouse? Left, right.
Do you
you
not
up
see
You keep
him
tapping
reading?
over
Do you not see him?
Bro, you were hitting me. You hit me with the up, down, right, left,
I was
up,
literally,
down.
you just did
Stop
it
moving
like
your
right,
mouse so
left.
much,
I'm pretty
Well,
sure
and
one
then
of
would've
you
done it.
said the number 1. Like, okay. I think.
I definitely say season 2 is above Jujutsu
So
Kaisen.
I would say that they're both probably gonna go into SS,
Season 2 is
Yes.
above Jujutsu.
but the thing about part 1 is it did begin very slowly because it decided that, oh yeah, season 1 will end here and then season 2 will begin a little bit before we ended and then pick up. So that part was kind of just like I didn't care, but it did go in pretty well. But honestly, I will say part 2 is better.
Season
Yeah.
But
Jujutsu
God
You think it's
Kaisen.
better
damn,
than JJK, Jamal?
Huh?
but
You-
I think. Do you think
Trevor thinks
Slime's
part
better
2
than
is better
Jujutsu
than.
Kaisen?
I think Trevor said it was.
Yeah, Trevor did, but now I'm asking Jamal.
I don't trust Trevor.
What
That's
about
why
Slime was really good.
what about season 2?
Was
Is
it
it better
better,
than
better
or
than
worse than
Jujutsu
JJK?
Kaisen?
I'd probably say maybe better.
Okay, so we're gonna do this for now. Now then, we have this boy to tackle. So okay, um, okay. So in my opinion, I would do this. I think.
I think Mushoku Tensei is pretty good.
I think part 1 would be better than Slime Season 2 part 1, but not part 2. Part 2
I
is better
think
than all of them, I
ReZero's
think.
too high.
I also think
What could you-
ReZero is
what-
too high.
What could
Like
you
I
I don't,
definitely
I
put
don't
it
know.
at
I
the
don't know if
bottom
ReZero
of
season 2
SS.
part 2 was better than Slime part 2.
I
I mean-
don't know
My
if
head's
ReZero
dead,
part
and now
season 2
I
part
can't
2
hear
was
anyone.
better than Jujutsu
I
Kaisen.
don't know if it was better
Sadness.
than anything in SS.
What do
It's
you
better than Attack on
possibly
Titan
mean?
though. Better than Attack on
I
Titan.
put it bottom
Honestly,
of
it
SS.
might
Alright,
not have been
if
better than
I
Demon
if
Slayer,
I
though.
go without my bias and I just objectively look at it, I'd have to go here, I think. In
He
this,
has to he has to reconstruct his
I,
whole
I,
mindset.
bro, if I had to objectively look at
If
it,
I
I
had
think
to
I'd have to
erase
go.
half of my character arc, maybe it'd still be in the top 3. Just maybe.
Bro, I just think that part 2 was that good. Like,
I do think part 2 is really good, but that's
I
also
will
the
say it
only
was
show
really
I've seen in
good.
SS so far.
it's literally like you got the Amelia's trial, you got the
Spoilers.
mansion back.
Spoiler.
I just they don't
Spoilers.
people on my channel should have seen ReZero by now. It's fine. And if people on your channel haven't seen it, tell them to go to my channel. All right.
I'll
Anyways,
tell them to watch ReZero instead. Watch ReZero.
yeah.
There we go. Win-win.
I do like if I'm just looking at
Watch One Piece.
what I think is
No.
better. I'm gonna cut that out. I would say that I do think that part 2 of season 2 is better than part 1 of Mushoku Tensei, but I don't think it's better than part 2 of Slime or Mushoku Tensei. Although, now I have to take an objective look at Mushoku Tensei though.
That should not have realized. That list is full of isekais and JJK. Move JJK up to the very front.
No.
All right, I got you guys.
Alright.
It's sort of good to be joke.
Yeah, I'll keep it like that for now.
I have no opinion.
We were down here.
What else is
Are
there?
there any other shows we watched, guys?
It's so hard to see.
Vivi.
There's a
Avengers.
world.
Vivi!
Well,
Vivi,
Vivi.
strict words, Vivi.
Yeah, Vivi. Definitely better than Attack on Titan. So it's either bottom SS or top of S. Choose your fight.
Bottom S.
See, I haven't finished it, but if I were to go off of what I've seen so far,
I will say it is like really good.
I
so
might
far.
actually put it here.
No.
Like I put it above.
I finished the
Shadows
show.
At
House.
the current moment, I would put it there.
I have finished
But
the show.
since Strick set such, like high
I'm gonna
hopes
put it
for
one
it,
above.
I'll put it here. No, I'm just kidding.
I
I'll put it here.
Is it better than
No.
Demon Slayer?
No, yes.
I definitely still say Demon Slayer is better than AOT, so this whole list is messed up, but you know.
I think Demon Slayer.
Mugen. I think Mugen Train was better than
We'll do
AOT.
that.
I don't.
Part 1.
We'll do that.
Yeah, I can accept that.
Mugen Train
Alright.
had me crying.
All right.
Yeah, I'll
go back
shake
down.
Demon
down.
For
Slayer
me.
on that. That's fair.
And
love to
Have
get
we watched any of these other
Tokyo
shows?
Avengers. That's Trevor's. All the way to the
Ooh,
right.
Tokyo Avengers. I
All the
put that
Keep
at
your same
like
row.
mid
Keep your
S.
same row. All the way right.
Okay, I thought he wasn't gonna go all the
Okay.
way.
I thought he was
I
gonna miss.
definitely I
Where's
put
it
it like
going?
mid S, mid to bottom S. Like,
All right. So we agree.
oh my god,
Put it
that's
down.
a really really good story.
We'll put it down there.
You can reorder later if need be.
Is that World Trigger on the bottom right? I can't see.
Is it?
I think
think
this
it might
is
be.
it.
That is world trigger on the bottom right, like the top two right, like the second row. Yeah, those two are both world trigger.
Okay.
B at most. You can put it C. You could definitely put it C.
Gotta fill out the
Okay.
C tier.
We're filling out the C tier.
It's just
Where
it's
did
really
it go?
it's
One to the left. Literally one to the
I
left.
found it by myself. All right. I did it. I think that might be it. And the rest of this, I just don't think exists.
I'm just trying to see.
Yeah.
It looks like a smile. That's funny.
Excuse me.
That is just a smile.
That's awesome.
All right.
That is
But
way
that's
of the
seven
house.
deadly. Hold on, go down. I see 7 deadly sins, like the second.
What
Like,
is
go
that?
all the way to the right.
What?
Right there.
Yeah,
One
left.
left. One left.
I see
You
it.
did
Right
it.
there.
I saw the pig.
That's a B.
That.
Maybe
Is this,
A.
is this like
Isn't
the
this Seven
ugly
Deadly
seven
Friends?
deadly sins though?
I think it's the ugly
If
seven.
it's
deadly
ugly
sins.
seven deadly sins, I don't know if you can put it in B. It might have to deserve a C.
Probably like top of C, bottom of B. Like animation.
I'd say bottom of B. The OP's kind of carry. That's
Alright,
Bottom
we'll
of
it.
put
B
it at
is
the bottom of
fair.
B.
I don't know. If we're saying OP is kind of carry, Demon Slayer might have to go to top.
Yeah,
of
I
us.
wouldn't
That's
judge
not
it.
gonna
I
be-
wouldn't
Yeah,
judge it
I wouldn't
off
go
of
through
OP.
OPs.
Yeah, that's for the OP tier.
But the main
Yeah,
part
move
of
it down to C again.
Seven Deadly Sins is the
There we
Now
soundtrack.
it's
go.
even. Now it's even.
We
Now
did.
it's even.
Just go
We
back
won.
down. Yeah, double check.
Yeah.
All right, and now
Go
as
back
I'm looking
down.
at this, we're going back down. What are we looking at?
We gotta go see if there's
We're
anything
double
else.
checking.
Double checking.
What is that?
I think
What is
that's it.
the one that's holding the Rasengan? What is that? It looks so familiar. It's
I
up
don't
left.
know what that is.
It looks so
I see
familiar.
it. You.
I have no idea what that is.
I don't know who that is.
Like, I thought that was Misfit for a sec because the bold
No,
white
no,
and
Misfit's like a
red,
crystal. It's like
Yeah.
Anos holding a crystal. Yeah.
but it looks so familiar. What are?
I think Mr. was 2020 anyways.
Misfit was.
Yeah.
2020, yeah. I think that's it.
Is that fair? No.
I think that's it.
None of us watch Zelda Word.
No.
I
No.
did.
That's pretty funny.
I didn't.
None of us
It was
watched
boring. It was really boring.
Me when it's
I
boring.
kind of enjoyed it
There
though.
is Eden Zero too, but I didn't watch it yet. So.
Yu Yu Hakusho.
Just-
It's the one that looks like Goku
This one?
wearing the blue outfit. Yeah.
I mentioned that earlier. You're useless. Where's it going?
I do think he said that earlier.
It's pretty good. It's like a C top. It's above Seven Deadly Sins.
It's pretty good.
Pretty
really
good. C
good.
tier.
That's good. Yeah, it's really good. I
Alright.
give it like a 4 out of 10. It's
I
really
think
good.
there is one placement on this list that's kind of bothering me.
And that's
Wow.
One Piece, that's for sure.
I'm just
Uh,
kidding. Alright.
And Xander, you should watch Demon Slayer.
Alright,
should
so
watch
if we
it.
look
You
at
should
all
comment
of
down
these,
below if you think you should watch Demon Slayer.
It's a
I'll
very
probably
popular
watch it.
show.
Alright, so I guess I'll watch it instead of Steins Gate. I got
I
you.
knew you'd
Oh.
say that. Don't do that.
Hear me out. Demon Slayer,
Okay.
kind of boring.
Yeah.
You're
No, first,
like,
Damn.
season,
Wow.
not
It's
great.
going down
Kinda
to
boring.
D.
That's season
That's
2.
season 2. Season 2 makes up for it.
Season 2 and the movie are both like.
Yo,
insane.
it's almost like a certain
Season
show.
1's still like okay.
It's almost like a certain
Hey,
show.
bro.
Yeah.
Season 1 of Demon Slayer is still like a good A.
I thought you were gonna say
I give it
Slime.
I give it a B, honestly.
I gave season 1.
Like I watched it like last month. I watched all of it.
If I'm looking at this,
I watched it like a year
It was all
ago.
good.
I think I can agree. ReZero's fine. I just think I don't know. I still don't know about the Mushoku Ten. I'd have to I'd have to because to be honest, both part 1 and part 2 of Mushoku Tensei both have the turning point episodes. So it's like, by the way, Strick,
Don't spoil it
in
for
case you
me.
didn't know, every time you watch Mushoku Tensei and the episode's called Turning Point, you should be scared. Anyways.
Hey,
Um,
hey, I'm about to watch that.
Hey, be scared. There's
Because I
gonna be a
definitely
turning
watched
point.
part 1 and it said turning point, and then as I was watching more, I got towards the end and it said turning point 2, and I was like, oh no.
Call me in
I just
front of it.
I have a feeling I know where those turning points are.
It's when they animate the
All right,
bread.
hear me out. Should I watch Mushoku Tensei or Classroom first?
Oh,
He's
you
gonna say
can't
Mushoku
do
Tensei.
that
Probably
to me.
Mushoku Tensei.
No, I'm
I'm
gonna
so
say
surprised.
Mushoku Tensei. I think this is a good list. I think I could.
Yeah.
I think
But
I
you
could
put
put this down and see.
Baruto
I-
and like sad tier still going.
Just put it at the very bottom.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Is it still going?
It is
Or
still
no
going.
shot, you're putting
it's
Naruto
almost-
over One Piece.
It has
almost-
filler too.
It's almost at 200 episodes.
Oh man, it's funny. It's funny being around One Piece fans.
Yeah.
One Piece watcher.
ReZero. So I've got
Just that ReZero.
He does
Banner
say
is a
ReZero.
ReZero.
I think this is fine. All right, I think this is a good list.
That's fine. I'm fine with it.
What are we doing for an outro?
So the biggest takeaway: watch Jujutsu Kaisen.
Guys, if you think
Watch
Ghostking
One Piece.
1125
No.
should watch Demon Slayer, make sure to write it down in the comments below.
Guys, if you
Make
think
sure to check out that other guy's
he
channel.
cut me
Linked
off,
in the description.
I'm gonna.
Everyone, watch
gonna-
Spy Family.
I run this channel. Watch Spy
Watch Spy
Family.
Family.
All right,
Spy Family
everyone.
beats every show on
Or the
this
internet.
list.
All right, everyone. We're gonna flip a coin.
Yo,
Heads, I end
I'm
the
ending the
video.
recording.
Tails, we do another tier list for this video.
I'm gonna go to.
yo.
We have to do the best 2 out of 3. That first one doesn't count. We know this. First one doesn't count.
No,
Best 2 out
no,
of
that
3.
one did count. That's why I said it before I clicked the link.
No, bro. First one's always scuffed.